Some souls arrive quietly, without knowing why they are here. Excuse me, was I a good boy? Yes, you were a very good boy.
Really? I tried my best.
In life he had very little, but he gave everything. He made a lonely child laugh. I guarded the house every night. Even when hungry, he stayed loyal. But sometimes I barked too much. Sometimes I stole food. Sometimes I chased people. I hope I was still a good boy. You loved without condition. You protected those who were weaker. You forgave quickly, even when they were not kind. That makes you a very good boy.
Oh, that's what happened. That's what happened. Did it hurt long?
Only for a moment. Then you came here. I'm glad. I was a good boy. The best. Sometimes the purest souls walk on 4 legs.